Here I am going to consider the quadratic polynomial with exactly two zeros. Particularly the two zeros are real numbers which I am going to consider here. In this case, what I am going to show you that if it has two real zeros, then certainly it must intersect at 2 points of x-axis, and those 2 points whose x-coordinate are going to give us two zeros of the polynomial. Here you can see quadratic polynomials with exactly two zeros, where it matches with the fundamental theorem of algebra. Any polynomial of degree 2 has exactly two zeros. Particularly, I am going to consider real zeros in the realm of real numbers. Consider the polynomial y is equal to px is equal to x square plus x minus 2, and this you can see the table accordingly. I am giving x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 4, minus 2, 0, 0, and minus 2, 1, and 0, and 2 and 4. And now I am going to consider the coordinate axis, and by the table I am going to plot the points here. Plot the points here. Now you can see minus 3 and 4. Okay, here minus 3 and 4. Again minus 3 and 4, and minus 2 and 0, minus 2 and y is equal to 0. Here minus 2 and y is equal to minus 2 here, and y is equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means here only, that is minus 2 and 0, and 0 and minus 2, 0 and minus 2 here, 0 and minus 2, and 0 minus 2 and 0. Okay, y equal to 0, minus 2 and 0, 0, x is equal to 0 and minus 2, okay, and 1 and 0 here, 1 and 0, that is 1 and 0, and 2 and 4, okay, here 2 and 4, and accordingly I would like to plot these points by the curve, join these points by the curve. Curve goes like this. So here it intersects at the curve, or the curve the curve the quadratic polynomial represented by quadratic polynomial intersects x-axis at minus 2 and 0 and 1 and 0, and therefore minus 2 and 1 minus 2 and 1, yeah, minus 2 and 1 are zeros of the polynomial. Here we can consider in a similar fashion. We can see here, and now general standard form of this polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. If it has two zeros, then we can factorize this into two linear factors, a1x plus b1 into a2x plus b2, and in such situation two roots are minus b1 by a1 and minus b2 by a2, which we have seen in the case of linear polynomial. And these 2 points, if they are real numbers, then the polynomial or the curve ax square plus bx plus c intersect x-axis at minus b1 by a1 0 and minus b2 by a2 at 0, and therefore these are the two real roots of the quadratic polynomial.